Model, 2017 Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4X4 Tdci Auto TDCI 200 Auto 4-wheel drive. Body, white 4x4. Mileage, 115508. Engine, 3198 cc 3.2200 PS TDCI-A. Transmission. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows, sat-nav, reversing camera, air-con, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £12,895. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.